The beauty of Pixie Bricks is that it's one tool that lets you do multiple things. In this video, I want to show you how two of my favorite mods work together to solve problems for you. So we're going to talk about the decision tree and the snippet mods. Check this out. Let's say we have a decision tree, right? I'm here in my Zendesk. I've got a question from a customer. I can open up my Pixie Bricks sidebar to see my decision tree and step through and figure out what I need to do about it. Someone's saying their laptop won't turn on. Well, I need to troubleshoot this. And then I can jump over to my snippet manager and find the relevant snippet for what I need to do. So, I'm going through this and it's saying, okay, I need to ask them these questions. Well, I can come over here and I can type this slash. So I don't even have to go to my Snippet Manager tab, and I can say basic and press enter, and it's going to take that snippet that I have preset over here, what I have said for the basic troubleshooting, and it's going to inject it right in here. And that way I can step through this decision tree quickly, and it tells me what to do, and then I can just copy and paste right what I need in here. No need to go open anything else up. It's just right here. So the beauty of this is I can edit old snippets. So let's say I need to change this one and I actually need to add another step in here. I can do this. I can also create new ones as simply as calling it whatever I want. And you can set them to be AI prompts, which is super handy because let's say I've gotten to the end of my ticket and I want to draft a signature. Well, I can just say signature and it is going to ask ChatGPT to come up with a signature for me, and then I can play around with that and do whatever I would like with it. So if you want to use these two together, let me show you how you can activate them. To activate them, you're going to go to this URL. I'll include it in the video description, but it's pixiebricks.com/use-case-snippets. And from here, you're going to click Try Snippets. And if you don't have a Pixie Bricks account, it's going to walk you through that process. And you can connect with Google. Just select your Google account, hit Continue, User, install the extension, click Add to Chrome. It'll take it a few seconds and it will add everything. And the beauty of Pixie Bricks is you're going to add this one Chrome extension and be able to do so many different things. These two mods I'm showing you today, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so many more that you can do. So you see it's loading here on the side. It's letting you know that it's activating. Click Finish Activating and you'll need to allow a few more permissions. And boom, you can see snippets over here. And again, you can start by creating one and call it whatever you want. You can make your AI prompt there, which could be write a conclusion to an email for me, or whatever you want to do with that. Or it could be static text, which is just like your actual email address or your name or something like that. So you can create the snippet there, and then you've got your snippets. You can access them from the // or you can open up this menu to insert it at your cursor or copy it to go use it somewhere else. So now that we've got snippets, let's get decision trees. So you're going to go to our decision tree template page. Again, I'll include a link to that. And on this page, you are going to click this Activate Template button. And it's going to automatically activate in the sidebar. And you're going to have a decision tree. It's going to have some, standard sort of data. Let's say, though, you want to add your own data to this and your own decision tree. What you're going to do is you're going to go to copy this sheet, click this link on the same page, and you're going to make a copy of your decision tree template. And you might call it, maybe you want to call it Brit's decision tree, and you can change it to say, hey, Brit, you can change any of the text in here. Each row equals a step in your decision tree. We've got some more documentation on this page about how you would customize this sheet to represent the different steps of your workflow. We're also super happy to help you with that if you have any questions or need help with that. Once you've got this set up, you'll come back to the decision tree template, and you're actually going to scroll back up here and close your sidebar here and click Activate the Template. And this time, it's going to activate the sidebar and bring you a few more steps in it. So you're going to scroll down here and click Configure, and it's going to bring up a pop-up asking you to connect your Google account, just giving it permission to access your Google Drive. And then you're going to go to this spreadsheet field and click this drop-down, and you should see the spreadsheet you just created. Click that, and you can leave that bottom example, the data example as is, and just hit OK, and boom. Now you're going to have your decision tree, and it's going to actually show your data, whatever you have reflected in this spreadsheet, and you can change it and do whatever you want with this, and there's no need to reconnect this. If you change the spreadsheet, it's good to go. So now that you're able to use both of these tools together, you can customize them as needed. It's a great way to get to the response you need and then quickly respond to somebody with it. I hope it's helpful for you. If you need any help customizing your data in the decision tree or in the snippets, reach out to our team. Let us know. We'd be totally happy to set up an onboarding call and chat with you about it. And we can also show you how to deploy this to your team. So rather than you having to explain all of this to your team about how to activate it, we'll show you how you can set it up once and deploy it for your team members. So schedule an onboarding call if you're interested in that, and we would love to chat more. We will see you around. Thanks for watching.